Next, the crushed soybeans are sent to the flaking machine, which flattens them into thin flakes. Flaking enhances the efficiency of oil extraction by making it easier for solvents or heat to penetrate the material. Following this, the flakes enter the cooking and pressing stages. In these stages, the refining process involves degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. Each step removes specific contaminants, such as gums, free fatty acids, pigments, and odorous compounds, resulting in clear, odorless oil suitable for consumption. Additionally, the meal left after oil extraction can be processed into high-protein animal feed. Throughout the production line, various auxiliary systems support the main equipment. These include conveyors for transporting materials between stages, storage tanks for holding intermediate products, and control systems for monitoring and adjusting the process parameters. Together,